Welcome to the Present Pal home screen. To get started, tap Settings on the Navigation tab to see any new notifications, to start personalising the app to your preferences, and also to view other settings. In visual settings, you can choose your preferred font size, and a colour overlay. Choosing the optimal font and colour overlay will support readability and your overall experience using the app. You can update these to suit your visual preferences at any time. When you're happy with how the app looks, scroll down and tap More Settings. Here you can also choose to switch on Accessible Scroll, which adds buttons for scrolling, supporting any dexterity or fine motor challenges. You can also switch on our stopwatch feature, which counts up instead of down. This can help you keep track of time when you're presenting. Our audio cues feature uses text-to-speech to read out your flashcards. We recommend plugging in earphones or headphones if you're using this in presentation mode, as the audio plays out loud. Now, you're all set up and ready to explore the further features of the app.